Here for today's reading activity, we are going to be talking about plot. So, write today's date, 3-31-21. Go ahead and do that. Okay, next you are going to split up your top of your journal into beginning, middle, and end. You can write B for beginning, M for middle, E for end. If you need more time, just go ahead and pause the video. But what you are going to do is you're going to get the story we read today, The Day the Crowns Quit. You're going to draw a picture as detailed as you can on what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, and what happened in the end. Okay? Just do as best as you can. And then I want you to write this sentence. In the end, tell me what happened at the end of the story. What happened? Okay? So, again, you're going to split up your page, beginning, middle, end, draw a picture of what happened in the beginning, then the middle, then the end, and then you are going to write this sentence. In the end, and tell me what happened at the end. Do not forget to put a period at the end of your sentence. And if you'd like to challenge yourself, you can tell me what happened in the beginning, the middle, and then the end. All right? Okay, hope you enjoyed today's little reading activity.